I find it very difficult to grow phlox from seeds. That's why I really love planting them from this bare root. And see how it's really sprouting already. And this is gonna flower already this summer, which is really great compared to if you do other plants where you have small seedling and they take some of them up to a year before they flower. So I have this really beautiful called Bright Eyes, and you can get them in, I have them also in white, in purple, so many different double color. So all I do is I just have this reused old plastic pot here, and then I have my really rich potting soil that I have already added water, because it tends to be really dry when you buy potting soil. And in this way I've added it just enough that it really, when you pinch it, it stays like a little ball. And so that in that way you really give it the best start for growing this phlox. So I'll just add about 3 handfuls, just like here. Yep. And then I'll add it slowly in here without damaging any of the new sprouts coming. And I hold it gently with 2 fingers here while I add some more here just around, and then I'll let go. And I won't cover it all the way, because since it's already sprouting, just gently like this. And then I'll add my little, very important, with a name tag on, and I'll place it out in our unheated greenhouse. You can also, if you have a porch, window sill somewhere sunny, and I'll just keep it not drying out in the top. Once it starts to really grow, gets a lot of foliage here, and the first signs of roots coming out is the sign that you can plant it out in the garden when there's no more frost. And that way you give it the best beginning. So actually on the way to the greenhouse, I stumbled over where I'm gonna have it in this new flower bed, because I have a small Bright Eyes last year, but I really wanna have it a bit more wow factor here. And why I wanna place it here is because it has a really great height, around 60 to 80 centimeters. It can be full sun to semi-shade, so it's really gonna do well here. And it flowers late summer, so it'll also take over when some of the other perennials around in this area has finished blooming. So that's gonna be really lovely here, and all the insects are just gonna love it. Okay, so I'm gonna place it in here, and once it's bigger, I'm gonna place it right out there in the flower bed. So I'll just keep an eye on and keep it water in case it needs something, and it's gonna sit in here and have lots of fun. So thank you for watching. Moin!